Joked ne ratich oganda kendo jalony weche mag mbui Rose Njeri gikone to chwale doho tok obila dino ne chakre tich abich juma mokalo kidonjone kaluwore ni nyayo twak e mbui mar nono paro mar chik mar omenda mar higa 2025-26. Jaked ne ratich oganda no osebedo kasundo obila mondo mi ochwale e doho kaluwore kod chik. Wawinjane kaka wachno dhi mbele e nyim doho.
Taking of this plea, and we invite you, Your Honor, to withdraw and think about what senior counsel theory has addressed you on. But I think it would be remiss on our part if we don't allow the Chief Justice Emeritus to very humbly, the man of great conscience, to be able to address you.
Mr. CJ?
Yes. Thank you, Honorable Chief. Thank you, Your Honor, for this opportunity. We are all here because of the nature of the allegations that have been made against Rose Njeri. We have read the charge sheet as senior counsel has eloquently stated. It doesn't disclose a known offense. Before you came in, we were conferring here and wondering whether Rose should be in the dock or should be somewhere where she's being celebrated for having done a wonderful job. The finance bill requires public participation. Public participation can be achieved in very many ways. And what Rose has done is to bring it to the entire public who may wish to get electronic copies to know what is in the bill. Instead of being charged, in our view, she should be applauded for having done the work of Parliament or the Parliamentary Committee and the institutions which are there to receive views. So, Your Honor, an effective judge like this one is a worrying trend. Why do I say it's a worrying trend? Because the police will arrest, keep somebody in custody for 3-4 days, like Njeri has been kept, bring her to court, and she's taken through the motion.